The biggest lies and truths about AI in 2026. Welcome to AutomateNG. Today, we are separating AI fact from fiction. You've seen the headlines. AI will replace everyone, or AI is just hype. Neither is fully true. This training will show you exactly what AI can and cannot do in 2026, using clear examples any beginner can follow. Stick with us to the end. There's a free workflow template waiting for you. Have you ever heard something about AI and wondered, is that actually true? Let's start with a quick overview of what we'll cover today. Here's your roadmap for this training. We cover 6 key areas: myths and truths, core concepts, how workflows run, real business cases, mistakes to avoid, and future trends. Think of this as a complete beginner to intermediate AI education session, packed into one focused presentation. No jargon, no confusion, just clear, practical knowledge. Let's jump straight in, starting with the biggest AI myths circulating right now. Before we bust myths, let's define AI clearly. AI, artificial intelligence, is software that learns patterns from data and makes decisions automatically. Think of it like training a new team member. You show them examples, they learn the pattern, and they start handling tasks on their own. There are 3 types you need to know: narrow AI, generative AI, and AI automation. Each plays a different role in your business. Now, let's look at the biggest lie most people believe about AI. The biggest fear people have is AI will steal my job. Here is the truth. AI replaces repetitive tasks, not whole careers. A customer service rep who uses AI handles more clients, not gets fired. The World Economic Forum reports AI will generate over 97 million new roles globally. Your job is safe, but your role will evolve. The question is, will you evolve with it? Are you using AI to enhance your work, or are you waiting to see what happens? That was lie number 1. Let's move to the second big myth. Many people avoid AI because they think it requires coding. That is completely false. Tools like N8N, Make.com, and Zapier use visual drag-and-drop interfaces. ChatGPT runs on plain English. A bakery owner, a coach, a clinic manager, they are all automating workflows today without writing a single line of code. If you can write a text message, you can use AI automation. Let's look at line number 3, one that stops a lot of businesses from starting. Cost is one of the most common excuses for not starting with AI. But look at this table. You can begin with $0. ChatGPT has a free plan. N8N can be self-hosted for free. Make.com starts at just $9 a month. For less than the cost of a coffee subscription, you can automate customer emails, lead follow-ups, and appointment reminders. Cost is not the barrier. Awareness is. Now, let me show you how AI automation actually works, step by step. Here's a truth that can save you from expensive mistakes. AI is not always right. It can hallucinate, meaning it invents facts that sound real but are completely false. If you ask an AI for a statistic without verifying it, you might publish wrong data. The fix is simple. Use AI as your first draft. Always have a human review the output before it goes live to clients or the public. Now that we know the limits, let's understand the core technology behind AI automation. Can AI run your entire business while you sleep? Not quite. AI handles repetitive, rule-based tasks brilliantly, answering FAQs, sending emails, booking appointments. But humans are still needed for strategy, relationships, complex decisions, and ethical judgment. The winning formula is AI plus human, where AI handles the volume work and you focus on the high-value decisions that grow the business. Great. Now, let me walk you through how AI automation workflows actually work, from start to finish. Let me show you exactly how an AI automation workflow runs. Every workflow has 5 stages: trigger, process, decide, action, and report. A customer fills in a contact form. That's the trigger. AI reads and processes the data. It applies your rules. Is this a lead or a support request? Then it takes action, sends an email, updates your CRM, or notifies your team. Finally, everything is logged for review. This entire flow happens in seconds, automatically. Now, let's see this in a real business scenario. Here is a real workflow any business can set up today. A potential customer fills in your website form. N8N triggers immediately. The AI reads the message and scores the lead. Is it urgent? Is it a buyer? Based on the answer, it sends a personalized email reply. Then it logs the lead to your CRM automatically. No human needed, no delays. Leads receive a reply in under 60 seconds, any time of day or night. Let's look at another powerful use case, customer support automation. One of the most practical AI applications for any business is a customer support bot. It handles frequently asked questions around the clock. 80% of standard customer questions can be resolved without a human. The bot responds in seconds, accepts payments through Stripe or PayPal, sends invoices, and hands off complex issues to a live agent. Your team only handles what requires real judgment, saving hours every single day. Now, let's see how e-commerce stores are using AI to grow sales automatically. If you run an online store, AI automation can directly increase your revenue. Abandoned cart emails recover shoppers who left without buying, often with a small discount that closes the sale. Order updates are sent automatically, review requests go out at the perfect time, and weekly sales reports land in your inbox without you touching a spreadsheet. One online store owner I know increased monthly revenue by 22% just from automated cart recovery emails. Coaches and service businesses also benefit enormously. Let's look at that next. Coaches and course creators are often one-person operations. Without automation, you spend half your day answering the same messages and chasing leads manually. With AI automation, a chatbot handles FAQs, follow-up emails go out automatically, content drafts are generated by AI, and enrollments process without you lifting a finger. You shift from doing admin work to doing the high-value coaching that clients actually pay you for. Let's now look at how businesses are using AI for content creation and marketing. Content creation used to take hours. With AI, a full content pipeline runs in minutes. The AI researches trending keywords, outlines the article or video script, writes the first draft in your brand voice, translates it into Spanish, French, or Arabic for global audiences, then automation schedules and publishes across all your platforms. Businesses using this system produce 10 times more content with the same team size. Now, let's look at how clinics and professional service businesses use AI. Clinics and professional services lose revenue every day from missed appointments and unanswered patient questions. AI fixes all of this. Patients book online through a chatbot at any time. Reminder messages reduce no-shows by up to 40%. Common questions are handled automatically, so reception staff can focus on in-person patients. And follow-up care emails go out after every appointment, building trust and improving patient outcomes. We've seen the use cases. Now, let's look at real business applications and ROI. Let's talk about money. Businesses that implement AI automation typically see 3.5 times return on their investment. Admin time drops by 40%. A 5-person team can save roughly $30,000 a year in operational costs. Where does this saving come from? Less money on support staff, faster lead conversion, no overtime pay for after-hours work, fewer billing errors, and cheaper content production. The numbers are real and measurable. Now let's look at the core AI concepts you need to understand as a business owner. One of the most valuable skills in the AI era is prompt engineering, knowing how to give AI the right instructions. Compare these two prompts. Write me a blog post about AI gives you a generic result, but write a 500-word beginner post about AI automation for small businesses, professional tone, with 3 real examples. That gives you exactly what you need. The 4 keys are role, task, context, and format. Master these, and your AI output quality improves dramatically. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make when starting with AI. There are hundreds of AI tools today, but they fall into four main categories. Conversation and writing tools like ChatGPT and Claude help you generate and refine content. Automation platforms like N8N and Make.com connect your apps and run workflows. Image and video AI like Midjourney and Runway create visual content. Voice AI tools like 11 Labs convert text to natural-sounding speech. You don't need all of them, just the right combination for your business goals. Now, let's talk about the most common mistakes businesses make with AI. The number one mistake in AI adoption is starting without a strategy. People sign up for 10 AI tools and try to automate everything at once. Nothing works well, and they give up. The right approach is simple. Identify your top 3 time-wasting tasks. Build one workflow for the biggest one. Test it, improve it, then move to the next. Measure your results. Time saved, leads generated, costs reduced. Strategy first, tools second. Let's look at mistake number 2, and it catches even experienced business owners. Trusting AI output without review is a serious mistake. AI can confidently state wrong facts, statistics that don't exist, quotes that were never said, legal guidance that could expose your business. Your brand voice also disappears when content goes straight from AI to publish. The fix is to treat every AI output as a first draft. A human reviews it, adds personal expertise, fact-checks the data, and then it goes live. AI saves you time. Human judgment protects your reputation. Here is mistake number 3, and it is about the wrong tool for the job. There is a balance in AI automation that many businesses get wrong. They automate everything, including situations where clients expect a real human. Automating FAQs and appointment reminders is smart, but automating a high-value sales negotiation or a sensitive customer complaint makes clients feel like a number, not a person. The rule is automate volume tasks, keep humans for relationship and judgment moments. That combination builds a brand client's trust. Now let's look at the exciting future trends that will shape your business in 2026 and beyond. One of the most exciting developments happening right now is Agentic AI. Instead of just answering questions, an AI agent can plan and execute a multi-step task from beginning to end. You give it a goal, research my top 5 competitors and put the results in a spreadsheet, and it handles the entire process, searching the web, reading pages, organizing data, and delivering the finished report. This is where AI moves from assistant to autonomous worker. Trend number 2 is one that directly affects how we communicate globally. Mass communication is ending. The future is hyper-personalization. Where you once sent one email to all 10,000 subscribers, AI now creates 10,000 unique emails, each adapted to that person's name, purchase history, and preferences. Your website changes based on who is visiting. Product offers arrive at the right moment for each individual. Customers feel understood and valued, which directly increases sales and loyalty. Trend 3 is making AI accessible in languages that previously had no tools at all. AI is now fluent in dozens of languages. This means a business in one country can serve customers in Spanish, French, Arabic, Portuguese, Hindi, or Mandarin automatically without hiring a single translator. Voice AI can handle phone calls and switch languages mid-conversation. Your chatbot can detect the customer's language and respond appropriately. For global businesses and service providers targeting multiple regions, this is a massive opportunity to grow without language barriers. Let's now look at trend 4, the rise of AI in decision-making for businesses. Business intelligence used to require a data analyst team and expensive software. AI has democratized this entirely. Look at this chart. Tasks that took 12 hours manually now take 1 hour with AI. Sales reports, forecasting, trend analysis, all automated. AI reads your business data, identifies patterns, predicts next month's sales, and alerts you to problems early. Any business owner can now access the kind of intelligence that used to be reserved for large corporations. Let's now look at Trend 5, the automation of entire business departments. The future of AI is total workflow orchestration, where entire departments run on intelligent automation. Sales automation handles lead scoring and proposal generation. Marketing automation manages your content calendar and reporting. Finance workflows process invoices and generate monthly reports. Operations automation assigns tasks and monitors performance. One person with the right AI stack can run what previously required a team of 10. This is the true power of AI automation in 2026. Which department in your business could benefit most from this kind of automation? Now, let's bring everything together with our key summary takeaways. The future of AI is total workflow orchestration, where entire departments run on intelligent automation. Sales automation handles lead scoring and proposal generation. Marketing automation manages your content calendar and reporting. Finance workflows process invoices and generate monthly reports. Operations automation assigns tasks and monitors performance. One person with the right AI stack can run what previously required a team of 10. This is the true power of AI automation in 2026. Which department in your business could benefit most from this kind of automation? Now, let's bring everything together with our key summary takeaways. Here is your practical action plan. 3 steps you can take starting this week. Step 1, write down your 3 biggest time-wasting tasks. That list becomes your automation roadmap. Step 2, pick the top 1 and build your first workflow this month using a free tool. Step 3, accelerate your learning by joining AutomateNG training at aiworkflow.com/ng, where we guide you through every step with real templates and expert support. Before the final slide, let's answer the question everyone is thinking. Here is the most important truth of this entire training. AI will not replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI will outperform you, outserve you, and outgrow you. The choice is simple, and the time is now. Every month you wait, the gap between AI-enabled businesses and traditional ones grows wider. You have just invested time in learning the truth about AI. Now it is time to act on that knowledge. Which side of this table do you want to be on 6 months from now? Let's close with everything you need to continue your journey with AutomateNG. Thank you for completing this AutomateNG training on the biggest lies and truths about AI in 2026. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore our AI automation courses, N8N workflow training, WhatsApp bot systems, and done-for-you automation services. Tell us about your business through the free inquiry form, and we will recommend the right automation setup for your needs. You can also message us directly through the WhatsApp chat button on the website. Subscribe or follow for more AI tutorials, chatbot systems, automation guides, and practical digital business skills. Thank you for watching, and keep automating.